self-help books don't help. You see, for the longest time, I loved self-help books. And don't get me wrong, I still do, right? Gary Vee, Tony Robbins. I even have self-help books for basketball. And if you watch my video, Confessions of a University Graduate, you will know that I was reading a ton of these self-help books when I was in a bad place. And what they did was, it made me feel really, really good. But as soon as I put the book down, it's like nothing has changed. You see, the personal development and self-help space is huge. You have productivity, mindset hacking, love, relationships. And there are thousands and thousands of books on each of these subtopics, and a lot of times the information tend to overlap. And when I was reading a ton of these books, I would often get overwhelmed by the amount of information I was getting, right? These different books was trying to help me in these different areas of my life. And a lot of times I would just feel overwhelmed with information and nothing really happens. I realized that when you really stay focused on a specific area of your life that you want to improve on, and you have a structured way of absorbing the information from these self-help books, that is when the magic happens. So the next time you're going to get a book on personal development or to hire a coach, I want you to take time and sit down and think about which area of your life that you want to improve on and go from there. If identifying your purpose and calling in life is something that you want to accomplish this year, I want to introduce you to Apologue's Growth Accelerator program. It is our signature 4-month-long program with bi-weekly seminars covering a certain theme every single month. In the first month, it's all about finding your why you do what you do, what makes you happy, what are you brought into this world to do. And in the second month, it's all about goal setting, right? Once you find your purpose and your calling in life, how can you set systematic goals and set better goals so you know that you're moving a little bit closer towards that purpose in your life every single day. Now in the third month, we all know that shit happens in life. The third month is all about relationships and conflict management. How can you get back on track when something happens in your life? How can you manage conflict and manage your emotions and your life better when things don't go according to plan? And in the last month, this is the best part. In the last month, it's all about turning your biggest passions into profit. A lot of people find a lot of meaning when they're able to start something of their own. We all have passions, we all have interests. How can you turn that into a potential career or a side project so you can stand out from your peers? By the end of the program, you will be able to know or at least have a glimpse of what you're meant to do in this life. You'll also be equipped with tools that will help you to manage your emotions better, as well as to turn your biggest passions into a reality. I want to invite you to apply for a fall cohort. The link is in the description, or you can head over to apologue.net where we will be reviewing applications over the next few months. Once again, Apologue's vision is to help young adults and millennials to better identify their purpose so that they can accelerate their growth and live a more fulfilling life. Once again, my name is James Lau. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find your purpose soon.